Hey investors. So I wanted to talk about this stock, PayPal. PayPal has gone down quite a lot in the last few days. It's a stock that I'm quite bullish about. In fact, I tend to agree with this article that PayPal could be worth $1 trillion in 10 years. So, in one of the previous videos I did about Mana being the new FANG, PayPal was not mentioned, but I think PayPal has the potential to be one of those trillion-dollar stocks. So let's take a look at PayPal in more detail. So PayPal is the most accepted digital wallet in North America and in Europe. Management values its addressable market at $10 trillion. So we know PayPal has this digital wallet. Let's see, what else does PayPal have? It has 416 million active accounts. So it has a very powerful network effect. They also launched a lot of new products aimed at expanding their ecosystem. Venmo credit card, QR payments, and buy now, pay later. That's very trendy these days. So it seems that their products are becoming popular. There are a lot of merchants that accept PayPal QR codes. Buy now, pay later volume has surpassed 8 billion. And it's also debuted this new mobile app. Now there's much more utility. There are shopping tools, deals, rewards, as well as bill pay and direct deposit services. Plus, PayPal plans to introduce a high yield savings account. I think that would be quite popular as well. So, number of consumers using digital wallets is expected to double to 4.4 billion by 2025. So there's no other company that can really provide this kind of scale in the payments industry. There's MasterCard and there's Visa, but I don't see them venturing into the digital wallet space. There's Square as well, but Square doesn't have the global reach that PayPal has. And there's also Mercado Libre in South America, and then there's GrabPay in Asia, you could argue. But again, I don't think those apps have the global reach that PayPal has. So that seems quite advantageous to PayPal. And also, PayPal has benefited a lot from e-commerce, right? And e-commerce is also going to grow. Right now, it just represents about 20% of total retail spending. And I expect this to at least become 30 or 40% over the long term. You can see that its revenue has grown 19% since 2016 annualized. Free cash flow has also grown about 14% per year. So there are a lot of good things about PayPal and a lot of things to be optimistic about. Management puts its addressable market at 110 trillion. Right now, its annualized payment volume is about 1.2 trillion. So I think I think you can at least reach a quarter of that, maybe even half of what management is aiming to do. So the bottom line is that if PayPal can grow sales by 16% per year through 2031, it could achieve a $1 trillion market cap with a price to sales ratio about 9.4. PayPal, as we saw, has grown sales by 19%. So 16% I think is achievable, especially with all the optionality that PayPal has. And just a few weeks ago, they were even thinking of buying Pinterest, and that would add even more optionality to the stock. So I'm confident about PayPal. In fact, if it falls a bit more, I'm looking to buy more of PayPal. What do you think about PayPal? Let me know in the comments below.